So students, yesterday we have learnt about uh, direct measurements and indirect measurements, and I have solved some questions related to this. See, there are n number of indirect methods. Got? So, but now today I am going to teach you some practical units of length which is necessary while dealing with very large and very small distances. Clear? So let me explain you. Basically we are using these three. One is your astronomical unit. One astronomical unit, it is actually defined as the average distance between your sun and earth. This is coming to be 1.496 in 10 to the power 11 meter. This value you can find out by taking this concept, or we know the idea that the light takes from the sun to reach earth and it takes 8 minutes approximately. So you can calculate the distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. Here we can take the speed of light. Speed of light is how much? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second approximately. And time we know the light sunlight taking 8 minutes, means t, instead of t you can write 8 minutes. 8, because you have to convert it into second. 8 into 60. So if you calculate, the value is approximately 1.496 into the power 11 meter. Got? So 1 AU is this much value. Now the second biggest bigger unit is light year. Light year. It is actually the distance covered by a light in 1 solar year. In 1 year, whatever be the distance covered by the light, that is called your light year, and it is turns out to be 9.47 10 to the power 15 meter. How you can also calculate it by this formula: distance is equal to speed into time. So speed here you can take speed is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second into 1 year. So now since it is meter per second, we have to convert 1 year to your second. And remember, 1 year means 365 days approximately. 365 days, and your 1 day is 24 hours. So multiply 24 here. And we know 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So you can multiply 3600 seconds. So your second got cancelled and you are going to get approximately this much meter. So it is your light year. So you can calculate and you can get an approximate figure of this much value. Now comes to your parallactic second, or which is called your parsec. Clear? 1 parsec is 3 into 3.08 in 10 to the power 16 meter. How this figure has come? This is this thing you must know. Parallactic second, the definition is like this. Suppose you take one arc here whose length is 1 astronomical unit, means which is nearly equal to, this is 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. This is the arc whose length is 1 astronomical unit, and this is, suppose you are here. Let's say this 2 point is making an angle with you, and that angle is 1 second. Got? It is you and it is the arc whose length is 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter, and this angle is 1 second. If these two conditions get satisfied, then this distance is called 1 parsec. Clear? So we can define it. It is nothing but the distance at which one arc of 1 astronomical unit subtends an angle of 1 second at your eye. That distance is called your parsec. So this since this angle is small, we can use the parallax method to find out this value. So this value can be determined by using C. This is your 1 second will be your theta. 1 astronomical unit is your this much. This is your arc, which is your basis B, and this is your D. Do you know theta is equal to B by D, and D is equal to B upon theta. So you can take the value of B to be 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter and theta to be 1 second, and 1 second you can take to be in the unit, it will take radian, and you can calculate this is going to be closer to this value. That is the definition of your parallactic second. So these three are the bigger practical units of distance. Now comes to the smaller units of distance. This figure, they are used in your atomic and nuclear physics. Clear? And this one is called your Fermi. 1 Fermi is equal to 10 to the power minus 15 meter. This is otherwise called femtometer. And another one is called nanometer. Nano is 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Another unit is called angstrom, which is 10 to the power minus 10 meter. And other unit is called your micron, which is 10 to the power minus 6 meter. These are used either in your molecular structure or in atomic structure or in nuclear structure. This distance is going to be used. Clear?